Tired of payroll headaches? Let's dive into ADP Payroll and turn you into a payroll pro in just a few minutes. First things first, log into your ADP account using your user ID and password. This is your central hub for everything payroll related. Once logged in, navigate to the Employee tab. Here, you can add new employees by clicking Add Employee and entering their personal and employment details, including name, address, social security number, and pay rate. Remember, accuracy is key. Now, for the main event, processing payroll. Click on the Pay Period tab and carefully review the dates. Then, select the employees you want to pay. ADP automatically calculates gross pay based on their hours worked and pay rate. Next, let's tackle taxes. ADP automatically calculates federal, state, and local taxes based on employee information and current tax, as you can view the deductions and make any necessary adjustments. Reporting is crucial for tracking your payroll expenses. Go to the Reports tab to generate various reports, such as payroll journals, tax summaries, and employee earnings statements. These reports are invaluable for budgeting and compliance. ADP offers tons of advanced features, like direct deposit enrollment under employee payments, which allows you to directly pay employees digitally, and time tracking integration, so you can track employee hours directly from the ADP portal, which automates your workflow. Need help? ADP provides comprehensive support resources, including fax, tutorials, and customer service. Don't hesitate to reach out if you encounter any issues.